Hey everyone, on today's video, I'll tell you a step-by-step tutorial in how to cancel your Qatar Airways ticket. So initially, we need to go to our browser and search for the official website of Qatar Airways. So as you can see, this is their official website. So here, as you can see, this is their official website. We're going to go to manage and check-in options. So here, you're going to write your booking reference as well as your last name. Then you're going to search for retrieve booking. So once you do that, they'll show you all the outbound flights you wish to cancel. So then you can click cancel flight or refund ticket to proceed. Then once you do that, they'll confirm the cancellation, as you have to follow the prompts they tell you. So a confirmation message will appear once the process is complete. So in case any of this does not help, you can go to the help bar here. So once you scroll down, you could see browse frequently asked questions. Then here you could search cancel ticket or booking. So as you can see, it tells you how you can cancel your booking. So you could go to my trips icon, as you can see here, and it will direct you to the place where you could cancel your ticket. So this is how you cancel your Qatar Airways ticket. Follow us for more, subscribe for more. Thank you again.